Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about Leetcode 38 count and see. I'll introduce you the specific way that is only available in Python. Okay, let's check it out. So let's go to Python 3, 2 to the power of 100, 2 to the power of 1,000, 2 to the power of 10,000. See, there's no limit. Okay, for this question, we will just as the description said, do the same performance n-1 times. For each of the calculation, we'll start from the lowest position to the highest position. We can do this by taking the remainder of mod 10, and then the number will be divided by 10. So each time we will take the remainder, then we will compare the current remainder to the previous remainder. If the two remainders are the same, then the count of this remainder will be increased. If the remainders are different, then we will collect the previous remainder. We will collect them by the count multiplied by 10 and the remainder. Then we will multiply the base. The base will be increased 100 times every time we collect the remainder, so that the first remainder will be here, then the second remainder, third, fourth, like that. So at last we will have the next number, and the next number you see is just an integer instead of a string.